Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about one of the most exciting tools for self hosting, UmbrelOS. If you want your own personal cloud with photos, videos, documents, movies, passwords, and even a Bitcoin node all running at home without monthly fees or trusting big tech, UmbrelOS makes it surprisingly easy and beautiful. UmbrelOS is a lightweight Debian based operating system built specifically for home servers. It turns a Raspberry Pi 5, a mini PC, an old computer, or even a virtual machine into a powerful personal home cloud. What sets it apart is its stunning web dashboard. Just open Umbrel Local or your device's IP in any browser, and you get a clean, modern interface that feels nothing like traditional server management. The real star is the Umbrel App Store, which now offers over 300 apps. Installing them is literally one click. Need private file and photo storage? Use the new Files app or Nextcloud/image for seamless syncing and sharing. Want your own Netflix? Jellyfin or Plex streams your media library to every device in the house for smart homes. Home Assistant is perfect. Block ads network wide with AdGuard Home, store passwords safely with Vault Warden, or on a full Bitcoin and Lightning node to truly verify your transactions. In 2026, with UmbrelOS 1.5, things have leveled up even more. You now get automatic encrypted backups to another Umbrel, ANAS, or an external USB drive. The Files app includes Rewind, so you can time travel and restore any old version of your files. You can mount network drives directly, add external USB storage with formatting support on x86 devices, and enjoy GPU acceleration for heavier apps like AI tools. Run local LLMs with Olama, build your own AI assistant with OpenClaw, or set up private search. Everything stays on your hardware. Setup is refreshingly simple. On official Umbrel Home or Pro hardware, it's almost plug and play. For DIY, flash the image on a Raspberry Pi or use the USB installer on an x86 system. Boot it up, wait a few minutes, create your account, and you're in. No complex Docker commands or messy configurations. Apps run in isolated containers, updates happen smoothly, and Tor support adds extra privacy if you need it. Why does UmbrelOS matter right now? Privacy and digital sovereignty. Your data never leaves your home. No more feeding photos and documents to corporations or worrying about cloud outages and price hikes. It's ideal for families who want a private media server, Bitcoiners who want to run their own node, or anyone tired of complicated home labs. Compared to other solutions, UmbrelOS wins with its elegant design, huge app ecosystem, and focus on making self hosting feel fun instead of frustrating. Of course, it's not for absolute power users who want to tweak every kernel setting. Performance still depends on your hardware, especially when running a Bitcoin node or multiple AI apps. But for most people starting their self hosting journey, the trade off is totally worth it. If you're ready to try it, head to umbrel.com/umbrelos for the latest download and guides. Whether you start small with a Raspberry Pi or go bigger with their dedicated hardware, UmbrelOS makes owning your own cloud incredibly accessible. Have you tried UmbrelOS yet? What's your favorite app or setup? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. If you enjoyed this, smash the like button, subscribe for more privacy and self hosting content, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Stay sovereign, and I'll see you in the next one.